Environmental releases don't start as emergencies. They become one when the system fails to contain them. Many organizations believe compliance limits and monitoring programs are enough. If emissions are within limits, if detection systems are in place, then the risk is controlled. But that assumption is incomplete. And this is because risk is not defined by the release, it is defined by what happens next after the release. A release begins as a contained event, a leak, a spill, an emission. But the failure starts when detection is delayed or the signal is misinterpreted. Containment systems may be undersized or degraded over time, and intervention does not happen fast enough. So the release continues uncontrolled. Where escalation accelerates is that environmental conditions begin to drive the spread. Wind carries airborne contaminants beyond site boundaries. Rainfall moves pollutants into drainage and water systems. Some surface migration reaches groundwater. What is often overlooked is that detection, containment, and response systems are not always aligned. They operate separately, but during a release, they must function as one, and when they don't, exposure pathways open simultaneously. Now the situation changes. It is no longer operational, it becomes a public health issue. Workers are exposed first, communities are exposed over time, and the consequences escalate quickly. Health impacts, regulatory actions, production shutdown, long-term remediation, loss of trust. At that point, control is no longer internal. Effective systems are not designed just to detect releases, they are designed to stop exposure. And this requires real-time monitoring linked to clear action thresholds, containment systems that perform under stress, drainage and secondary barriers that prevent spread, rapid isolation and shutdown capability, and communication systems that activate immediately. This is because speed defines outcome. A release becomes a crisis when it travels further than the control system can respond. That distance traveled is the real risk. If you want to continue getting deeper insights into engineering systems, HSE, and risk analysis, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.